This conference will now be recorded.
So last class we did just this drawing. Okay. If you remember properly, can you tell me from the beginning so that I'll repeat it again? So go tell me from step by step. So from where exactly I need to start this drawing? What command I need to use? Unmute yourself and speak. We'll do this again and we'll go for the next drawings. Replay fast.
So we should go for the 3D drawings first in the program,
Okay.
and then we have to put the command box.
Now first, do I need to enter to 3D?
Yes, sir. You have to uh, change the thing to 3D.
Okay, I did that. It's in 3D modeling itself. Next.
Next, you have to put the command box.
So box. Okay, box enter. Now it's asking specify the first corner. What should I enter?
We have select one of the corners.
Do I need
Like
to
any
select
of
any
the,
point
just
here?
select it. Yeah, we can select any point.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll select at the point. Now it's asking specify another point or cube or length it is asking.
Yeah, we have to enter the we have to enter the height and the length of the box.
Sorry.
We have to enter the height and the length of the box.
Okay, now it's something like this. Can you able to see the screen, right? Now what is the length?
40.
Okay, 40. Then width.
40 again.
Okay, height.
12.
Yeah. Next. As you said, I have drawn the box. We have given the value 40, 40, 12. It's correct. Now what's the next step? Any answer? Because you know the drawing already, what we did in the last class. See here, two mistakes which you told. One is we can't specify any points while doing a box. Okay. First box. And here, don't enter any points over there using the mouse. Just specify 0, 0, 0, 0. Because it has to start from the origin. Enter. You can see near the XY started from there. Now L enter. Now here you made a mistake. You didn't tell me that we need to switch on the ortho. Last class itself I told we need to turn on ortho. So turn on the ortho. Now it specify 40, 40, 12. Okay. One mistake is that don't pick any point in the screen. There is a one. And second thing is you need to turn on the ortho before you giving the three values. That is, one is length, one is width, one is height. Cleared?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Now we need a circle over, right? We need to drill a hole over here. How to do this?
Using the cylinder command.
Yeah. Use cylinder. And here also don't click any point because we need the middle point. So from here it is 40. This is also 40. So 20, 20. From here it is 20. From here it is 20. So specify 20, 20. Enter. Put this. Now what is the radius of that?
Well,
No, see the drawing properly. See the drawing. Now tell me the radius.
8.
Yes. And what is the height of the cylinder? Okay. Now 8 is the radius, 12 is the height. Now click here. I said we need to set it to southwest isometric. How to make it as a solid view? I want this as a solid view. That means filled view. Last class I told one
Using the
command.
shade.
Yeah. Sorry. Shade. Now here we have a box and we have a cylinder, but we don't have a hole over there. How to make it? Is it possible to trim?
We have to subtract it.
Yes. Subtract. Enter. Select the object. Enter. Then the second object. Enter. Now, the next part of this. We need a curve like this. What is the command?
Fillet.
So it's a command for fillet. Last 2-3 classes we were working with fillet. F enter, R enter, specify the radius, 20. This, enter, this, enter. So now let us create a copies. Now how to rotate this?
Using rotate 3D.
Yeah, use a command called rotate 3D, enter. Just select the object, specify two axes, that is x and y, either the bottom point or this top. Specify the value. Again rotate, 2D rotation, that is RO. Copy. Same way. Rotate 3D. Assemble this. Using move command, I'll assemble this. Now, where should I place this? Here we have a problem. Where should I place this? Here we have an empty space. So how to fill that? Replay fast. Now this portion, I can't able to place it properly. Where exactly should I place, or what shape should be placed here?
We need to make another box.
Box of dimension?
Rectangle.
No, we need to take box itself, but box of dimension.
40.
Yeah, same dimension, 40, 40, 12 only. Box. Now this time, box enter. We are not giving any value called 0, comma 0, but we know the point. So I'm just clicking the point. So L enter. Turn on the ortho, or you can press F8. 40, 40, 12. Now move this. How to combine this? The complete drawing.
So union.
Yes, right. Union. Select everything. Get remit. But what is the command for same combining everything in 2D? In 3D it is union. In 2D?
Region.
Yeah. See here we have two region. The one is region, which we discussed in the last class. Another one is regen. Okay. This is region. That is region. This is region. Regenerating the model. It's something like we are refreshing it. See, type REGEN, enter. Okay. If you press F2, okay, F2 to view the command text window. Just press F2 in your keyboard. You can able to see the whole commands which we used from the beginning of this drawing. See, studying what you told, the same thing I did. After that, we did undo. Then 0, comma 0, length, what, how much I given, height, how much I given. So each and every commands can be noticed here. Okay. If you want like right click, I can give copy history. You can go for notepad, anything. You can paste and you can keep. Okay. These are the commands we used for this drawing. So now we'll just move on to the next drawing. Do you remember this drawing?
Yes, sir.
What do we call for this? These kind of drawings?
So it was for the stairs.
Sorry?
Who's the stairs from?
Yeah, it's a stairs in order, but what do we call for these drawings? I said one word. Directly
Isometric.
we can't do this drawing, right? We need to say make some preliminary settings and we need to do it.
Isometric.
Yes. So these drawings are called as an isometric drawings. The same thing, the same staircase, what we draw in isometric, we'll do it today in 3D. Okay. So, but before entering to that, we need to know few command. So that is a new command for today is slice. Command is SL. Okay. I'll go for AutoCAD. Let us do a box. I'll give 0, 0. Let us take cube this time. C enter. I'll turn on the ortho. I'll take a cube of 50. Okay. Now UCS icon plays a major role in this. If you see here, it's exactly X plane, Y plane, and Z plane. We have a drawing, and this is the Y plane, and this is the X plane, and this is the Z plane. Okay. If you want to cut anything, the cutting will be done it like this. So if you cut in Y plane, it will be cut like this. If you cut in X plane, it will cut like this. If you cut in Z plane, it will cut like this. Okay. So it's a cube of 50. So let us cut from here to here of 20. Same from here to here, we'll cut it 20. Now the command is SL, enter. Now it's asking select object. Either with the mouse you can select the object, or you can type the command all, ALL, double enter. Now here comes the major point. Observe carefully. Now it's asking specify the starting point of the slice plane, or you can specify the axis. Here we have three axes. One is XY, one is YZ, one is ZX. Okay. So if I want to cut in X plane, I need to specify YZ. So I'll give YZ, enter. Now I'll give the value. So X value I'll give 20, comma, and Y and Z will remain constant 0, 0. You can see this is cut it individually. Just tell you. If you want to cut in X plane, you have to take YZ, okay, and you have to specify the values, something like value comma 0 comma 0. Okay. Same thing. If you want to cut in y plane, and we have to specify 0 comma value comma 0. Same concept. Here 0 comma 0 comma value. Okay, so this is very important. Please have a note or just take a screenshot of this. For slicing, this plays a major role. Okay, we have only three axes. One is xy, one is yz, and one is zx. When I take xy, how we have to give the value? The pattern is like this. When I take zx, the pattern is like this. When I take yz, the pattern is like this. And here exactly clearly I specified x plane, y plane, and z plane. Okay. Now you tell me that if I want to cut in x plane, I want to cut x plane to 20, how much value should I give? That means how I need to take like SL I given. I want to cut in x plane. So which one should I take? XY or YZ or ZX? See this properly. I want to cut in x plane. So I'll tell you, if I want to cut in x plane, you choose YZ. Enter. Now the pattern of value is first the value x value 20 comma 0 comma 0. Double enter. Same way if I want to cut it in y plane, SL all. If I want to cut it in y plane, you need to choose ZX. So pattern is 0 comma value, that is 20 comma 0. If I want to cut it in Z plane, x, y, 0 comma 0 comma value, because x and y will remain constant and z value we are specifying. Now you can individually you can delete this, like I don't want this portion, select and delete. So clearly I can do it up like this. So based on this concept, so we'll keep this as a base. Let us do this drawing completely in 3D. Okay, so here we know the width as 125 and we know the length as 90 and we know the height as 60. So box 0 comma 0, I'll enter on the ortho, specify the length, that is 90, specify the width, that is 125, height, that is 60, 32 southwest. So any doubts in the value which I'm giving? 125, 90 and 60. No doubts, right?
No, sir.
So now imagine first where exactly you need to slice it. This is what exactly the drawing we have. This is our local origin O. From here it will count. So from here to here we need 30 and again from here to here we need 60. So in X plane we need to cut it for 30 and this is also 30. So 30 plus 30, 60. And Z plane 20 and 40. Same way from here to here it will be 80. Because from this direction we are not cutting it, so slicing will be from this direction. So till this it is 80. So our slicing will look like this exactly. I'm giving you an imaginary drawing so that exactly how it's gonna be there. So after that, just next part is removing the unwanted portions. Now let us begin slicing. SL all. I need in X plane. I need it for 30 and 60. So I'll take YZ. 30, 0, 0. Again, SL, all, YZ. For every each and individual, we need to give a command, slice, YZ, enter. Now 60, 0, 0. Okay. Now in which plane we need to cut the next thing? Okay. See the drawing properly. Next, we need to do it up in the Y plane. SL, enter, all. If you want it in a Y plane, you need to specify ZX. So 0, comma, ET, comma, 0. Now we'll start within Z plane. SL, all. Let's take XY, 0, 0, 20. Same XY, 0, 0, 40. Okay. Exactly what we did. Same thing we have here. Now use the mouse to select each individual and start deleting. Hit delete key in the keyboard. And this and this. Now use the command union. You see? Any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Do you want me to give us steps for this particular drawing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll give you the steps. Just note it down. Okay. So I'm giving you steps for particular this drawing. For the slice. So SL, enter, all, double enter, then H. I'll give you from the beginning. First box, enter, 0, 0, enter, L, enter. Turn on the ortho. By pressing F8. Now 90, enter. 125, enter. 60, enter. Now set it to southwest isometric view. Okay. After this, start slicing it. After this, start slicing. SL enter, all double enter. The first point where exactly you wanted is XY. Enter. 0, 0, 20. You have to press double enter. Okay. Next step. Same. SL XY. This is 40. Okay. After this, next SL enter, all double enter. I'll give ZX 0, 80, 0. This next step again YZ. So the value is 30, 0, 0. Double enter. After this, same YZ 30, 0, 0. There use 60. The next step is remove the unwanted portions. Model. Then union, enter. All double enter. Okay. Only we have these steps to the particular drawing which we did here. Okay. Here after this, in between, you can add even the shade also. Shade. So this is the first point, second, third, fourth point, sixth point, seventh. This. Have you noted down? Cleared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, these steps, I'll just put it up in the chat box also. You can just copy it from there. Just putting it to everyone. Okay, because slicing needs bit concentration and the proper values. So that's why I've just given the steps. Just follow the steps. Now let us go for the last drawing of the session. Can you copy down this drawing fast? Don't take a screenshot. If possible, try to copy down this particular drawing. Finished? Okay, now analyze the drawing properly and tell me from where to start. So this drawing is need to do it from the box itself. So keep a reference of the previous drawings what we did in today's session. So based on that, tell me what value should I take and which box or cylinder or which shape I should take. You need to answer for this because it's the last drawing of today's session. Replay fast. Will you replay or shall I show it off? Okay, so here first see the box properly. So we have the width of 44 and the length of 54 and the height here we have 52 till the base to the tip, and here we have 11, this base. So 11 plus 52, so totally we have 63. Okay, so come back, new drawing, box 0 comma 0, L enter, turn on the ortho. So here the length is 54, the width is 44, the height is 63. Southwest, we have the drawing something like this. So now we need to slice it as per the drawing. So I'll show you in the drawing. I'll not go for the paint again. So from here to here I need 20, that is in X plane, and 20 plus 14 I need to 34. So SL, enter, all, double enter. Let us give YZ 20, 0, 0. Same repeat, SL, all, YZ 4. Go for the drawing. So here we comes from the Y plane. From here to here it's 15, and in between 14 is there. 15 plus 14 it is 29. So see here, from here to here it is 15, and from the center point to this point it is 29. So SL, all. If I want to cut in Y plane, which axis should I take? We have three: XY, YZ and ZX. If I want to cut in Y plane, so which I should take? Okay. So you need to take ZX, SL, all, take ZX 0, 15, 0, ZX 0, 29, 0. Now we need to cut it in the Z plane. You can see here it is 5 and 11. We'll take XY 0, 0, 5, XY 11. Okay. Now, before removing the unwanted portion, there is a minute trimming portion left out over here, because here this base, should be hollow, but it is 14. But this one, it's not 14. This is 7 as per the drawing. What we need to do is, from the left hand side we need to remove, and from the right hand side we need to remove it 3.5 and 3.5. So let us slice. And 5, 0. Okay. All same. 29 minus 3.5. It is 25.5. So same, take zx 0 comma 25.5 comma 0. And we have something like this. Now start removing the unwanted portion. Delete. We need to remove the backside portions also. So go for orbit. So turn the drawing properly and you can remove it. This has to be halo. Okay. Now union this. The problem is half of the drawing is completed. The above we have a cylinder with the halo space in between. There is a through hole. Now set this drawing to 2D wireframe. So I have told about this in the last class. 2D wireframe, and set this drawing to the left view. Okay, remember this, set this drawing to the left view. We have it like this. Now check the value of the cylinder. 24 is a diameter and 34 is a diameter. So 17 and 12 is a radius, and the length of the cylinder is 54. Cylinder, check the midpoint. So 17, 54. So before drawing the next cylinder, kindly check this in Southwest isometric. The drawing is looking like this. So use move command. Use this point and pick it up here. So go for left, view again. Cylinder, same, center point, 12, 54. Set this to Southwest isometric and adjust it in the same manner. M. Okay, now check with shade. If you closely observe, the UCS icon has changed. The Y is at the top, Z is at this side, and X is in this side. Because we are trying to draw the 3D shapes in different planes. Like we are drawn in top view and we are drawn in left view. So automatically UCS icon will keep on changing. So have an eye on that properly. So now subtract. Because we need here through hole. This, enter. This, enter. You see, we got a through hole. So now our major problem is we need to remove this. That means only till this to this we need to remove. Any guess or any idea how to remove that? Anyone? See here, clearly I'll tell you. This is 52 from the tip of the base until the center point of the cylinder. Okay. And this is 11. So that's why we are taken 63. I'll set it to 2D wireframe. Go for the left. Okay. Here, see this. From here to here, it is 63. Okay. So we need to cut it exactly to this area in the sense we need to remove this. So what is the value of that is? So radius is 12. So you can do it something like 63 minus 12. So that is 51. So this portion will exactly remove it. Set it back. Shade. See the UCS icon, then you slice it. SL all ZX 0, 51, 0. You see? Exactly, it's sliced up neatly. Now select this, delete, union. Select everything. Okay, and you can give hide. So any doubts in this drawing? Any doubts? Any confusions to anyone? And
No, sir.
okay, so this is all about the AutoCAD and concentrate mainly on 3D and as well as when you jump into an AutoCAD part, especially in future. I'm repeating again here 2D, line, polyline, circle, ellipse, this move, copy, rotate, trim. Using that we did a floor plan if you remember. And I gave you an assignment also, but I didn't receive the assignment. This drawing, if you remember. Anybody has tried this?
Sir, I did it.
Yeah,
Or shall I
kindly
send it, sir?
Yeah, send it in the WhatsApp group, man.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. How about others?
I will send it by tomorrow.
Okay, so keep on practicing Photoshop as well as AutoCAD. From the next class onwards, Soumya ma'am will continue with the 3ds Max. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the software for 3ds Max is also, you can download it from the getintopc.com. This one. Here you have a 3ds or 3D Max, you can call. Here I have Autodesk 3ds Max. So based on your system configuration, you decide the which version you wanted, and you can just download this. I'll just put this link in the chat box. You can download it so that from the next class onwards, you can start practicing immediately. I've given the link. Just download it and install it.